Hello. Welcome to this guided meditation that is designed to support you in moving through stress and anxiety to experience greater calm and ease. You can practice this meditation during the day or at night, anytime when you need to slow and soothe a worried mind. Please note that this meditation is not a treatment for stress or anxiety. It is simply a tool that may support you. Begin this meditation by finding a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Close your eyes when you feel ready and take a few cleansing breaths. With each breath, explore if it's possible to soften or to slow the breath. You might release a sigh as you exhale to support this softening. Breathe naturally now, and then draw your attention towards the very top of your head. Imagine that through your crown, a beautiful, relaxing light enters your body. The light might be gold or white or purple or orange, or any color that feels relaxing and supportive for you. And imagine that this light slowly moves through your body, bringing a sense of relaxation to every part of you that it passes. It relaxes your forehead, your jaw and cheeks, your shoulders, arms, and hands, your lungs, your entire back and your belly, your pelvic floor, and your hips, through to your thighs, your calves and shins, and your feet. Imagine that your entire body is bathed in this beautiful, soothing light. Feel its glow emanating through every cell of your body. On your next exhalation, gently release the imagery of light and reconnect with the steady flow of your breath. You can call upon this light for body relaxation anytime that you need it. And now call to mind a place in nature that brings you a sense of peace and comfort. It can be a place real or imagined, somewhere that feels safe, comfortable, and grounding. Take your time to let it expand in your mind. As you arrive in this place, notice all the soothing aspects of it. Maybe there is a body of water, or plant life, or fresh soil or grounding rock. Welcome anything that relaxes you. Notice what the sky looks like as well. Notice what the air feels like. And then notice what sounds are here. And what smells are here. Rest into all the soothing aspects of this place. As you observe this peaceful, comfortable landscape, imagine that its soothing qualities are permeating your physical body and your mind. As you breathe the air of this place, you become more grounded. You become calmer. You become more comfortable in this moment. Take 3 or 4 slow and steady breaths as you continue to visualize this place. With each inhalation, feel your body and mind filling with more of those qualities: calmness, ease, and comfort. With each exhalation, visualize that you are releasing stress through the breath. You do not need to push stress to leave. Just gently and gradually release in your own timing. Now observe yourself resting in this landscape as you embody a growing sense of calm and ease. Notice what this calm and ease feels like in your body. Continue also observing the things in this landscape that comfort you. Notice now the earth beneath you. Feel that you are grounded and supported by it. Now, if you would like to thank this place for holding you, you can do so now. Then take a long, deep breath in. And as you exhale, release the imagery of this landscape. Bring your attention to the surface that is supporting you here and now. Whether you will be transitioning into the rest of your day or into sleep, you can let the following words support you. If you wish, silently repeat: I am calm, centered, and grounded. I release stress that does not serve me. I find peace within me. If it is bedtime, continue to breathe as you drift to sleep, inhaling peace and ease if the mind wanders in ungrounding ways. And if you are moving into the rest of your day, take one more slow, clearing breath. Connect with the surface beneath you. And open your eyes when you feel ready. Thank you for joining this practice. May it support you in experiencing inner peace and calm. Thanks for watching.